Let us discuss some important questions and answers on the chapter of Preamble. You may be asked in UPSC, in JS examination, and even in almost all degree courses. All these questions in objective type. So it will enrich your knowledge. You may be asked, the word preamble was derived from dash word, that is preambulus. It is, whether it is a Greek word, Latin word, French word, or German. It's a Latin word. The objective resolution put forwarded by whom? The objective resolution put forwarded by whom? Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Bharat Ratna, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. The answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who? That is, he forwarded the objective resolution. Preamble is a political horoscope. Who told this? That is K.M. Munshi, who is one among the members of drafting committee with Bharat Ratna, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that is K.M. Munshi, described Indian Constitution's preamble as the horoscope. Then objective resolution was presented to the Constituent Assembly on which date? That is 13th of December 1946. So we must know that is from 9th December 1946. I repeat, from 9th December of 1946, our Constituent Assembly started. So on 9th December 1946, the Constituent Assembly first started its session, and as we know, on 26th November 1949, we set our constitution in motion with some of the provisions. Objective resolution was moved by the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 13th December 1946, and the Constituent Assembly gave its approval, or the same objective resolution was passed or adopted on 22nd January 1947. When in 1973, in Keshavananda Bharatiya vs. State of Kerala, when the Honorable Supreme Court of India made it very clear that amendment can be made to the preamble, but not to the basic structures or basic formula of the Constitution, then it was in the year 1976, amendment to the preamble has been brought to the preamble and thereby inserted three words which I have already covered. December 1946 is, on this day, objective resolution was presented. And then who said preamble is key to the Constitution? That is, Ernest Barker described Indian Constitution, and that too, the preamble as key to the Constitution. How many times the preamble has been amended? Once, twice, thrice? Only once. Only once the preamble, that is, it was in the year 1976 when Srimati Indira Gandhi was Prime Minister. At that time, amendment was made to the preamble, and the two words, that is, socialist and secular, words have been inserted. Lastly, in the last lines, with the unity of the nation, unity and integrity, the word integrity is also inserted. So in all, three words, that is socialist, secular and integrity, these are the three words inserted by 42nd Amendment in the preamble. From where or what was the source of inspiration for this, we the people of India? Which constitution? That is American Constitution. The words justice, social, economic and political mentioned in preamble has been taken from Russian Revolution. I repeat, the word justice, social, economic and political mentioned in the preamble has been taken from the Russian Revolution. So also Article 368, the concept of amendment of the Constitution, or this idea is borrowed from the Constitution of South Africa. And the term we in the preamble, what it indicates? It indicates we means we the people of India. So people of India are sovereign. Preamble is the identity card of the Indian Constitution. Who said this? This is Palkiwala, N.A. Palkiwala, who described the preamble of Indian Constitution as identity card of the Constitution. Who told preamble is the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? That is Thakurdas Bhargav. Then in which case preamble is held as part of the Constitution? In which case preamble is held as part of the Constitution? So Keshavananda Bharati case, in this case preamble is held as part of the Constitution. In which case the preamble is held as not part of the Constitution? That is in Berubari case, preamble is held as not part of the Constitution. So the word secular in the preamble means, secular means all the religions are treated equally by the government. The state has no any common religion, or state shall not proclaim any particular religion as its own religion. So these are all answers to the question. In which case preamble is held as not part of the Constitution? It is again and again this question is being asked. So in Berubari case, it is held that preamble is not part of the Constitution. The language of the preamble is taken from the Australian Constitution. Preamble is based on what? Preamble is based on objective resolution. So you may be asked this question also. Who presented objective resolutions? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru presented. Can preamble be amendable as stands today? Yes, preamble can be amended. Who has the power to amend the preamble? Many choices have been given to you, but Parliament is having the power to amend the Constitution, so also it is having power to amend preamble. So also, what sovereign denotes? Sovereign denotes independent authority of the state. Equality, liberty, fraternity have been taken from which constitution? That is from French Constitution. I mean French Revolution. So, equality, liberty, fraternity are the three characteristic features on which the French revolutionaries started their speeches. So, which part of Indian constitution proudly proclaims India as a secular state? That is preamble. Which part of the Indian constitution reflects the mind and ideals of our framers? That is preamble. Inclusion of the word fraternity is proposed by who? By answer to this is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji. Then, which of the following is the correct combination of justice sought to be secured to the citizens of India in the preamble? That is social, economic, and political. Which of the following date is mentioned in the preamble? That is 26th November 1949. The preamble is useful in interpretation of the Constitution because it reflects the real objectives and philosophy of Constitution makers. So which day is observed as Indian Constitutional Day or Samvidhan Divas? That is from 2015, 26 November is being observed throughout the nation as the Samvidhan Divas or Constitution Day. The calligrapher of the Indian Constitution. Who is he? Prem Bihari Narayan R. The name of the famous painter who designed the preamble page along with the other pages of the original Constitution. That is Ram Manohar Sinha, B. Ram Manohar Sinha. Who are the ultimate sovereign in accordance with preamble or in accordance with the Indian Constitution? That is the people of India. Which part of the preamble is Atma or soul of the Indian Constitution? That is, preamble is treated as the soul or Atman of Indian Constitution. With this, today I would like to conclude my speech. Once again, I will be back with you with some other fresh matters. Till then, bye for now. Namaskar. Friends, hit the bell icon, subscribe, share, and comment in the comment box. I will see you in the comment box. Till then, goodbye. Bye for now. Namaskar.